ISCAR introduces new turning tools pocket size reducers that enable mounting CNMG 09 and SNMG 09 wiper inserts on tools intended for CNMG 12 inserts. Following the positive market response to the new turning tools pocket reducer adapters, ISCAR is adding new adapters that mount on turning tools for improved surface quality. The new pocket reducers are designed for small isoturn inserts, such as CNMG 09 and SNMG 09, and can be assembled into holders for CNMG 12 inserts. The new items are designed to rotate standard inserts and place the cutting edge in an optimal position to achieve the effect of the WG wiper type inserts. The new pocket adapters will enable customers that have standard turning inserts to get the wiper effect in turning operations. I would like to remind you to download the ISCAR World app, which features the revolutionary Neo ITA for achieving optimal machining results.